What's up, guys? My name is from Love, and I can't fix the camera, but who cares? We're going to be making slime, and the only things you need to do is put 1/4 of the toothpaste, and then what do I do? You put it in the microwave for 30 seconds, but it's not just that, because for many people it didn't work. Get 8 gums, munch it for like how much time, and then take it out, and then if you see more lines, keep on munching. But if you want to keep that line, it's cool. So when I was done, it turned yellow because I used food coloring, so it smells so good. You guys want to smell? Yeah, you guys can't smell, but oh my god, it smells so good. Literally, you want to eat it. You can lick it, like it's edible to lick, but it's not edible to eat, because nobody is allowed to eat toothpaste, because if you eat toothpaste, that's bad. You can lick it. Plus, it'll taste good. Alright, so to say to this, it's pretty sticky to your hand. So, yeah, it's weird. If you guys want me to, I can make non-sticky slime, and then it's just like liquidy. Like down below, and the number of likes I'll like is how much there are. If there's 1, I don't care. At least if it's 5, and then I'll do more. I know my videos are stupid, but yeah. We will be now. This is a blast. Like, if you guys want to hear some music, pow. Wait, I gotta say, I need to wash my hands. So I'm gonna put the slime down, and yeah, it's been nice talking to you guys. Music. Guys, I can't do it. My dad's in the bathroom, so yeah. Okay, I'll be coming in at least a minute and 30 seconds, I think. Like, yeah, so BRB. So guys, did you like the music? No, you don't, because I'm bad at picking music. So now I can fix the camera. Finally, my slime is literally like, fight you. iPad. It's not an iPad, right? I call it iPad for no reason. Alright, so I'm not gonna touch it because my hands are clean. Alright, but I can show you. This is a slime. Sorry. Like, I'm gonna show you how big, like, my total slime is. Like, just this. No, like, all of it. I'm gonna try to scrape it so then you guys can see. Right. Ugh. It's not all, but there. It is so amazing. Literally, it's so fun. Yeah. Now, if you guys want me to end this video, look at my bun. Okay, that was not part of the video. But anyways, peace, love,